darkness does nothing to dampen his enthusiasm. Finally, the buck is in luck. It's home to more than 1,000 rabbits, and at night they all feel sufficiently confident to leave their burrows. And foxes know that. That was just a vole. The rabbits watch the fox closely. As long as they can see him, they can outrun him. It's a mistake to think that you are always safe in a burrow. If there is only one way out, a tunnel could become a trap. A big warren can lose hundreds each year, but without losses to foxes and buzzards, rabbits could soon eat themselves into starvation.